no prey can escape these all-seeing eyes. Chameleons are seldom in a hurry, and because they hunt by sneaking up on prey, they never really have to be. While changing color to blend in certainly helps them catch supper, that's not the main reason they do it. Mostly, chameleons change color to communicate with each other. Changing their colors also helps regulate their body temperature. So the Johnston three-horned chameleon can live at an altitude of over 1,000 meters. The Ruwenzori side-striped chameleon can live even higher, up to 4,000 meters above sea level, in the African Ruwenzori Mountains. Wherever they live, chameleons view the world through independently moving eyes that provide a panoramic view of almost 360 degrees. When that prey is in sight, the chameleon's tongue pops out in only 1/10 of a second, with deadly accuracy. For the victims, there are precious few truly safe places. With all this going on for them, hunting's a snap. Most of the time.